Nice one. And it looks like William has had great fun here. And the bold colours and splatty technique have created a really modern style art attack. Love it. Yeah, fantastic painting by William. Those colours really zing off the paper, don't they? You know, that's the great thing about painting onto white paper or card. It makes the colours really stand out. But what happens if you're painting onto different surfaces and textures that aren't white? Well, OK, let's try it on this model of a car. I'm going to try and paint some red poster paint on there. And look at that, it's all coming out patchy. And what happens if we try some black on the wheels? Well, look at that again. It's not sticking to the plastic surface at all, and it's going all patchy. Well, to get my poster paint to cover all these surfaces and textures and still look vibrant and solid would probably take loads of coats of paint. Boring. Well, instead of doing that, use this neat little trick. Just take some white poster paint and mix it together with some PVA glue. Then mix it well and slosh on a coat all over whatever it is you want to paint. I'm just going to slosh it down the side there. And the idea is to cover the whole thing and give it an undercoat so that when it dries, you can paint on your other colours just like this. And look at that. The glue in the white undercoat means that the paint will stick to the shiny surface and make everything a bit more smooth and vibrant. And that's perfect. So, OK, where were we?